Why travel to South America? To discover the rhythms of life below the equator. And allow the beauty of nature to wash over you. To elevate your perspectives of a different culture. And experience the heart and hospitality of the locals. To journey through the clouds and reveal an ancient history both magical and magnificent. Why travel to South America? To be reminded that every experience matters, and with every luxury included, you'll be free to enjoy every moment.